Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Afterpay refund policy. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to make purchases and pay for them in installments. Understanding the refund policy is essential to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Step 1 is to review Afterpay's refund policy. Afterpay's refund policy is based on the merchant's refund policy. If a merchant offers a refund, Afterpay will work with the merchant to process the refund. Step 2 is to initiate a return with the merchant. If you need to return an item, you must contact the merchant directly to initiate the return process. The merchant will provide a return merchandise authorization number, which is required to process the refund. Step 3 is to wait for the merchant to process the refund. Once the merchant has received the returned item, they will process the refund. Afterpay will then be notified of the refund and will update your payment schedule accordingly. Step 4 is to check your Afterpay account for updates. You can check your Afterpay account to see the status of your refund. Once the refund has been processed, your payment schedule will be updated, and you will no longer be required to make payments on the refunded amount. Key concepts to keep in mind include that refunds are based on the merchant's refund policy, and Afterpay does not offer refunds for change of mind or other reasons not related to a faulty or damaged item. Best practices include keeping records of your purchase, including the order number and return merchandise authorization number, and contacting the merchant directly to initiate the return process. In summary, Afterpay's refund policy is based on the merchant's refund policy, and refunds are processed through the merchant. By following these steps and understanding the refund policy, you can ensure a smooth shopping experience with Afterpay. Remember to always review the merchant's refund policy before making a purchase, and keep records of your purchase and return.